Hello guys, today I will show you the how to clean the 12-core MT ferrule and test with benchtop microscope. First, put MT ferrule into the bench microscope, which operated by the foot pedal. We can see almost each of the end face has the dirt or dust contaminants under 400 times magnification clearly. Then we take it out for the cleaning. The cleaning machine adopts a liquid gas cleaning approach. The cleaning fluid can rapidly dissolve the stains on the end face, and the ejected dust-free gas blows away the stains and sucks them in for collection. The entire process can be completed within 2 seconds, with a single cleaning efficiency exceeding 95%. It's equipped with a filtration system including high-precision air filters, oil mist separators, and micro mist separators, ensuring that the cleaning process is free from external contaminants. Now put the sample MT back for double check. We can see all the 12 cores are cleaned crystal clear without residue. The whole clean end face can be kept without secondary pollution. Isn't it excellent? Contact us today for more.